Tap into TikTok's vast user base for your business with this straightforward guide to launching your first TikTok ad campaign. Begin by navigating to the TikTok Ads Manager. Your initial action is to click the prominent Create button, initiating the campaign setup workflow. Here, you must decide on your campaign's primary objective, whether your goal is to boost brand recognition, direct users to your website, or increase app downloads. Select the objective that aligns with your business aspirations. Subsequently, assign your campaign a concise and informative name. This will facilitate easy identification of your campaigns within the Ads Manager dashboard. Financial planning is next. You have the option to establish a daily budget to manage your expenditure on a per-day basis, or a lifetime budget for the campaign's total duration. With your campaign objective and budget finalized, proceed to the ad group. Consider this a dedicated space for your distinct ads and audience targeting parameters. Assign a descriptive name to your ad group. This is the core of your campaign. You will meticulously define your target audience. Commence with fundamental demographic attributes, such as geographic location and spoken languages. Who are you aiming to engage? Then, refine your targeting with granular options. You can target individuals based on their engagement with specific content categories, their observed actions on the platform, and even the devices they utilize. Experiment to discover the most effective strategies for your offerings. Often, you can empower TikTok's system to automatically optimize ad placements for superior performance, or you can manually select the specific locations across the platform where your advertisements will be displayed. It's time to develop your advertisement here. You will upload your video content. Remember, TikTok thrives on dynamic, short-form visual narratives. Ensure your creative is captivating and pertinent to your intended audience. Crucially, include a call to action, or CTA. This button guides users on the desired next step. For instance, shop now, learn more, or sign up. Select the CTA that best reflects your campaign objective. Thoroughly review your advertisement to ensure all elements are precisely as intended. You will observe a simulated representation of how your ad will appear to potential viewers. Upon confirmation that all details are satisfactory, click the Submit button. Your ad will then undergo TikTok's standard review protocol. Once approved, it will become active, reaching a vast and captivated audience eager for compelling content.